different aspects of physiology. Within each aspect of physiology, there is intelligence that is driving the physiology, that is controlling the physiology, that is maintaining the correspondence of one level with the other. Because when the hand moves, millions of activities are going on throughout the body, everything. So it is the performance of the physiology which is being administered from inside, that is the intelligence of the body. Doctors call in terms of the body's own inner intelligence. Natural medicine inspires or enlivens the inner intelligence of the body itself. And the theory is that when the coordination between the inner intelligence of the body and the expression of the body, inner intelligence and outer body, matter. So matter and intelligence. When there is lack of coordination, then the matter begins to pain. When the intelligence is not, like the intelligence within the eyes does not cope with the desire of the mind to move the hand like this, there will be a cry, there will be pain in the eyes. All the pain and suffering, and we extend pain and suffering to problems, failures, lack of good social behavior. All these values come from lack of coordination between inner intelligence of the body and outer aspects of the body. So these 24 values, which are the basic values of physiology, these 200-300 years, there has been research in physiology. They have been finding this thing, so many scientists, and all that is a record. There is a record of all the findings of different parts of the physiology, different neurons in the neurology, and their behavior on the individual level, and their coordinated behavior on the holistic level. Dr. Lubimov is here. What he has found, he was doing research in, you introduced Dr. Lubimov. It's a very interesting thing that I'm going to say. First, I would like to say in his words.
Professor Lubimov is the director of the Neurocybernetics Laboratory of the Brain Institute in Moscow, which is an aspect of the Academy of Medical Sciences of all Russia. And he's a very distinguished and famous neuroscientist, and he has done some very unique studies on the effect of Maharishi's transcendental meditation on the human brain.
Yes. So what Dr. Lubimov has found is that through the practice of transcendental meditation, holistic functioning of the human brain, holistic functioning. One is function of different neurons, singly different neurons. And the other is all the neurons functioning in good coordination with every other neuron. This is holistic functioning. So what Dr. Lubimov has found is that through this practice of transcendental meditation, when the mind loses its individual structure and gains the cosmic structure, unbounded awareness, transcendental consciousness. In that state of transcendental consciousness, the total brain comes to function, as against the understanding of modern psychology that generally people use 5-10% of their mental potential, and the total genius remains unused. Through this practice of arriving at that unbounded awareness, the whole physiology and the whole inner intelligence of the physiology, they come in perfect accordance. That means the whole personality becomes lively. No aspect of the personality, intelligence or matter, remains segregated from the other. It's a tremendous finding. Now our effort is to have all mankind everywhere be educated in this theme of coordinating body and its inner intelligence. Coordinate, so that the man should be able to live all that he is made of. What he is made of? He is made of natural law. What is natural law? That maintains order and evolution of everything. Maintains order and evolution of it. Every man must have this technique, must have this program, must have this knowledge of the total potential of natural law, and how all the different specific values of natural law could be enlivened so that every activity is supported by the total organizing power of natural law. It's a great finding, a great finding.